Hi there! Check out this 40-inch kids large folding trampoline with a comfortable foam handle perfect for indoor and outdoor play. It features 360-degree full protection with a durable sponge-covered handlebar to keep kids safe and balanced while jumping. The adjustable handle height ranges from 38 to 46 inches, making it suitable for children of various heights. Built with ultra safety in mind, it includes a thick steel frame, strong mesh jumping platform, and high-quality springs tested for durability. Assembly is quick and tool-free, and the trampoline folds easily for convenient storage and transport. This trampoline not only provides fun but also helps improve hand-eye coordination and exercise. It's an excellent surprise for birthdays or holidays to encourage active play and fitness. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.